Hi everyone, welcome to the Lancelot Technology. Subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to talk why people stuck in 9-to-5 jobs and forget their dreams. So hold your mind and watch this video.
When a kid is born, the infant have no idea about the outside world. The parents take care of them. From food to education, parents spent their life savings on their children. But our education system teaches us to be a rat, just run behind what everyone is doing. With lots of effect, students complete their graduation and then they realize that they don't have skills to get a job. It means that 12 to 15 years of education, 20 to 30% of their parents' money have no worth to give them a job. Then students spent money on coaching and gain skills and get hired in MNC or startups. This is the age for freshers to gain knowledge and think about the future, and here they forget their dreams and just follow the rat race. For some people it's fine, but most of the people don't like their job. After 5 to 6 years running behind money saving investments, life gives you a family, children, now run for their education, and this cycles goes on. After retirement you will realize that your 65% of life went to work for others and you didn't achieve anything. No happiness, no self-satisfaction. So kindly try to run a side hustle towards your dream. Do job for financial purpose. Don't make job as life, make it a part of life and enjoy the life. So work for dreams. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.